Word. New shit. Nature. Caron. Locks. Fabulous.
Hey yo, piranhas, the crib sicker than Madonnas. Getting more press than Ellie and Gonzalez. Some niggas tell me I'm the hottest, I never cool off. Criticize the shit I write, but it's never too soft. Snatch channels like I'm Disney, half grizzly, unexplained. When niggas see me, they duck, hoping I pass quickly. Someone to laugh with me, get acquainted. They know exactly when a nigga's famous or living dangerous. The kid got a glow like I just came home. Try to dull me, niggas that old be hiding from me. Changing their names, screening their calls. The Dreamcast in the crib, never leaving at all. Playing NBA 2K for 2 days straight. $50 a game, let me polish my game. Withdrawing at the bank, never deposit a thing. Yo, I gotta make a dollar with slang.
Yo, back in the days we were slaves, whips and chains, it's tradition. All I got whips and chains, all I did flip some cane. Now a nigga sick of the range, only a new 6 can fix the pain. Look at all these goosebumps around my wrists and veins. Milton Bradley wanna get my game. 501 frisk my frame. I don't deal with cheap blow. When I shoot, no block, sorta like a free throw. Can't miss. If one of you bitches burn me and I can't piss, got me itching like it's dandruff. You gon' see the back of Cam here quick, you damn bitch. I'ma stomp you, stab you, look at you, you damn bitch. Your love, I would dump back out. Everybody like killer when you come back out. Listen, I like rap, routine had to stop. Met a new connect, got an 18 a wop. Cops on payrolls, every block got blow. We fight every night, reunite and pop mode. That's how it is when you deal with me. Now I'm Field TV, only real TV. Real money, real cash, real girls. MTV, I'll show you the real world. Cash run up on you, splatter your white eyes. That's only to make Saturday Night Live. Looking for a casket, got the right size. Wanna bake a cake, I got the right pies. Crashed up the 4, now the right 5. Looking for beef, you found the right guys. Old folks say, Cam, stop your route. Why you gotta get the guns, just box it out. Listen, that there's trife. Only one fighting is the doctor, that's for your life. As for your wife, took her out just to tour towns. Bench press for what? Lift 4 pounds. Tear up your car, all 4 doors down. Cats wanna box, here's 4 more rounds.
Yo, keep talking about convertibles and your ice, I'ma smack you, yap you, and murder you. Keep talking about your dogs is this, and you leaving out the part that your dogs is bitch. Let's get straight to the point. Ain't a nigga better than me. I'm aggravated and I'm fed to the T. If I gotta do joints and I'm sitting for 5, when you reminisce about me, say the nigga was live. I got 12 on robberies pending, a dope charge, a gun charge. Hard to see holiday bending with a brand new case. 20 niggas to ride, a spot OT with some brand new bass. Why say names? You could get whoever you know. I got the gun cock ready to blow. Don't compare his rhymes to mine's. Mine's is real, and his is just words and lines.
Now I'ma give it to you straight, cause I don't cop no please. Chic Luch, a nigga who got lots of cheese. With enough coke to stand on and slide like skis. And you can see your whole body on my HREs. How you wanna do this shit? Like the quick and the dead? So I can cock back and empty out the back of your head? Do a drive-by, go ahead, I'm quick with the heater. I shoot through you, the car through the party meter.
Look, it ain't much to talk about. Fuck you, fuck where you from. You better wear your gun. Won't shoot nothing, but you will appear in court. I put your brains everywhere so you can share your thoughts. Few hot shells out of the chrome, I'll leave you there with a funny smell like gunpowder cologne. Listen, everything's about the kiss, the new dope out. Sky blue CL6 with the new poke outs. Tired of the speculation, faggot. Everything is real here. Y'all ain't gonna get wreck on Jason. Hold down the fort, could never be bought. So I don't flip when the crackers wave checks in my face and rather start gunning. Cause soon as you start chasing the money, that's when the money start running. I drive by in a car service, hop out with mad niggas, pull my phone out.
Like you don't know the kids stay hitting benches with K's of the cane. Lead straight sitting inches away from your brain. In them gray kitten Benzes, I sway through the lanes. Not a nage just sitting flinches when they see the chain. Y'all might not never come out, my verses get heard. I'm a hustler, I don't sleep from the 1st to the 3rd. Take a while to load the Cali, but the shots go quickly. Put red spots on your neck and they not no hickeys. The truck still got those Mickeys, and don't even pass it my way if it's not no sticky. Don't matter where I'm at, I pop regardless. Cause I get knocked, I cut a check, y'all gon' drop the charges. Put 3 holes in heads, make them look like bowling balls. Come through in spring with nights that don't get solar fall. So I can hardly care, cause the only way I see time behind bars if it's a Cartier, nigga.